Hi everybody, it's time 言わんと気持ちいい。言わんと気持ちいいの時間。It's Ivan the Kimoti. Today we would like to present you about Microsoft new AI service named Microsoft PowerPoint Frontier Service. This is a very latest service for Microsoft. This week we already presented you about Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and in this time we would like to present you about PowerPoint. Okay, Iva, are you ready?
Hi. Okay, I'm going to share the screen before that.
Mm.
Okay, so it's working. Nota is there. So very good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Yuva and Kimuti's weekly Sunday live session where we discuss the latest AI topics. Okay, so for our Japanese audience, so we have this nota. So you could check the script here in Japanese language. So it's a live transcription. Okay, and last time we talked about the Excel agent mode and the Word frontier, right? So today we are going to look at something many people use every day, PowerPoint, but with a completely new face. Yes, the PowerPoint now has AI inside, so not just small features, but real AI that actually can create slides, design layouts, and even build full presentation from a prompt. So you just input your text and then it could be able to build a full presentation for you. So, and the big question today is, can PowerPoint could this Copilot beat Gamma or not? Or do we still need Gamma or any other slide generators? So let's find out with some real demonstrations. Okay. Okay, so let's go with the simple explanation about this Microsoft PowerPoint. So now the PowerPoint, it can create, as I mentioned before, so it can create a full presentation from a prompt, and then it can suggest some beautiful layouts automatically, and it can add images, icons, and diagrams. It can create actually the images and icons and diagrams, and it could maintain your brand style and the template. It also helps you practice your presentation. So in short, it almost looks like Gamma, almost. So we are going to check this out in action. So first, let's enable the frontier preview features in PowerPoint. Let me share a video. Okay, just a moment. Because we were having another meeting before this. So, okay, I have this demonstration here now. Okay, here. So we have to go to this Microsoft Cloud Web and then go to Home tab. And then you have to click the Copilot. And then when you see that frontier, you just need to enable it. So that's how it works. The AI inside this PowerPoint. Okay, so today I have three demo to show you, three demonstrations. So the first one, we are going to copy and paste some of the content, and then we are going to auto-generate the slides. Okay, and then the second one, I'm going to ask the PowerPoint to create presentation on a topic, and then the third demonstration, I'm going to take a plain PowerPoint and ask it to redesign. Okay, so let's try this with this Microsoft PowerPoint AI. And then we will compare the PowerPoint versus Gamma today. So we are going to know who does the better. Okay, so now the Microsoft PowerPoint in action. So let's start with the most common scenario. So normally we actually copy and paste our content into the PowerPoint, and then we try to spend about 30 minutes just to adjusting the slides, isn't it? But today, let's try the same thing, but I'm going to let the Copilot do the work. Okay, so let me show you the content that I'm going to copy. So this is my content actually. Okay, so this one, my slide title structures, no content yet. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. So we have the AI Copilot at the top, and then another option, we will have a panel right beside this right side. Okay, I'm going to click on this. Okay, we have designs as well, but not the design for now. Okay, let's go to Copilot. Well, so from the title, I'm just going to copy and paste. My prompt it is, from the title structure, I would like to ask this to create a slide for each topic and then apply it to this PowerPoint file. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, I just copy and paste all the contents here. It's a very long content, and then I'm going to ask this to turn this into a PowerPoint file, PowerPoint slide. Okay, so what happened here, this one actually it breaks the contents into sections and it creates the headings, but not inside the slide deck yet. So I have to go with the another prompt, and now here I have typed, can you create a new PowerPoint for the slide content above again? Okay, let's try. This will take some time. Okay, so this time it has generated a file, and I open this, and yes, so this is the result. So the titles became slides and the layouts look decent actually. But this one, when we are comparing with Gamma, not as modern or stylish. But honestly, I think it is quite good comparing to the previous version of the PowerPoint, because now it can do everything by itself automatically. So you just give the information and then it could able to come up with a nice presentation with the designs, the themes, the layouts, and the slides by itself. Okay, so and also we could able to select the layouts by ourselves. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So now I'm going to ask this PowerPoint directly. I would like to ask this to create 7 slide presentations. Okay, let me just be precise what I want. 7 slide presentations about technology 2025. And I'm going to ask this to use a clean and modern design this time. And I'm going to ask this to include images per slide. Okay, let's try. Okay. It created the slides with the contents. Can you see here? We have all the details for the topic, but no images and not inside a PowerPoint file yet. So I'm going to ask again, can you create a new PowerPoint for the slide contents above with some graphics? Okay, so it has created a file now, and I'm going to open it. Yes, so the slides, the layouts, and the structure. So we have the introduction, main points, and conclusions. But again, the images are missing. So it can write the slide contents and create the presentation, but image generation, it is still limited. So if you want, we actually have to do it manually. So let's give it one more try in the next demo. So this time I would like to ask this to generate some images, okay, per slide according to the contents. Let's give it a try this time. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a PowerPoint this time. So let me show you the PowerPoint. I have a plain PowerPoint this time. Let me show you that. So this is the PowerPoint that I'm going to upload to this Copilot, and then I'm going to ask this to redesign this. Okay, and then enter. Let's go for it. Okay, so it has created one image here. It has generated one image, and it said it has modified, but I don't see any changes. So I'm going to give it a try again. I'm going to type another one. Okay, so no changes yet. So let's give it a try one more time. Plain. So no changes yet, but it has created. So it said, I will generate the image as described. So would you like any specific branding? So it would like to confirm something here. So let me proceed. Okay, so I'm going to ask this to proceed with a clean, modern business style and create a new file with a different name. Okay, so ask this to create a new file with a different name. But it's still not done yet. So I would like to ask this to create a file name Yuva Kimoti. So I would like to create a new file under the name Yuva and Kimoti. Okay, so it is trying to create more images one by one, step by step. And the name also it is not done. Okay, so I have to go with the next prompt again. So I'm going to ask this to create a new file and stop creating the new images. And I'm going to ask this to use the images already generated above, because it has already generated two images before. So it is analyzing. It is analyzing. It is actually creating the file. Let's see how it works. Okay, so this one we have new layout, new color palette, clean style, but still no images as you can see here. So this one I have tried earlier. Uh, we have to download the images from earlier, and then we have to add them manually here. So that's how it works. But the layout and the theme changes works well. So it can do it by itself. So if there are anything, we could change the designs, the themes, the layouts here. It has the design suggestions, or we can even continue with the Copilot here. We want to make any changes. And then the layout, yes, so it has several options. So if you still want to change the design, so you can go to the design tab and then themes, and then you can change it manually too. So that's how it works. So we have tried 3 demonstration on this. Okay, so after all these tests, can PowerPoint beat Gamma? Okay, so let's check the slide actually. I prepared for today's presentation. One actually from Gamma and then another one from PowerPoint. Okay, let me show you side by side. So this is I have created for today's presentation using PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint AI. So I just copy and paste the contents and then it tried to create the slide automatically. So it is created by this AI, Microsoft PowerPoint AI. And then the other one, this is from Gamma. Okay, so when you see them, you will probably remember. So this one, this presentation slide, I think you will probably remember the times we used to build the slides just like this, right? But now we have the modern type of presentation using Gamma. So here is my honest answer. So from what I have experienced and what I have tried, the PowerPoint, we can use PowerPoint if you need the brand consistency, or if you want to edit the slides manually, or if you want to keep everything, all your works, everything in the Microsoft ecosystem, or if you want to use some kind of templates or based on the corporate design. And for Gamma, a super fast modern layouts. Even now I am using the Gamma slides to explain. So this one, I think more creative storytelling templates. And we don't need heavy manual editing. So we just copy and paste and then it creates everything automatically. So I think for fully automatic, for fully automatic modern stylish designs, Gamma is still ahead. But for corporate style or editable presentations, I think PowerPoint it is stronger. Okay, so that's all about this Microsoft PowerPoint Frontier that I wanted to share with you today. And Kimoto-san, what's your
Mhm.
impression about this? Which one
Ayuba,
do you think is best, Gamma or the Microsoft PowerPoint?
Ayuba,
Yes,
this
Kimoto.
PowerPoint Frontier service, only web
Mhm.
service, web version is possible to use.
Yes, only web for now.
Now, okay, I got it. That's all from my side.
Okay, so what do you think about this? The the traditional this one, the current PowerPoint AI
Mm.
and this Gamma presentation.
Mm. I I think all the my legacy version is better for me because that is very familiar with me.
Yeah, the Gamma is better, isn't it?
Mm. A little bit aggressive.
Yes, I think so.
Mm.
Okay, so I think that's all from our side today about this topic. And thank you for joining us. And see you again next Sunday with another interesting AI topic. はい。木本さんから何もありますか？
That's all from my side. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. See you next week. Okay,
See you.
bye.
Bye bye.